Okay, last one. So just let's recap real quick. Pretérito, we went over keywords, when to use it, AR and ER endings, and IR, because those are the same. We started with E irregulares, regular ones that we're used to, like ir, ser, ter, and ver, sorry. Orthographic, where there's a spelling change, like cargar, zar. Remember, this was only in the yo form. And then we have verbs like leer and destruir, ER or IR, not AR. And if I take off my ER or IR, I'm left with a vowel. If my vowel's strong, I'm going to have more accents than if it's a weak one. And remember that I went to a Y. And then we went over boot verbs. So AR and ER and IR exist in the present tense, but in the preterite, we don't have those at all. It's only IR. So I asked you to do morir and pedir. And remember, they're not really boot because it only changes in the third person singular and the third person plural. Okay? So the last category, these are irregular stems. That means that the stem is going to change. So your last one is this one right here. So irregular in the preterite, they have a stem change. Andar, AR verb. So one thing that's different is it only has two regular AR endings. The other ones are IR endings. And the stem and goes to anduv. And it's in all 6 forms. So all of these verbs, the stem is going to change. Like this EST is going to change. This PON is going to change. The VEN is going to change. And that change will occur in all 6 forms. And we have AR, ER, and IR verbs. And they're all going to have this set of endings. A, iste, o, imos, istes, ieron. So if you learn the stem, all you have to do is really remember one conjugation because they all have the same conjugation. Haber is starred because it's only used in the third person singular, like it was, or there was, sorry, like there was a hurricane. Hacer is starred because in the yo and ella, there's a little bit of a difference or change. And decir is starred because instead of ieron, its ending is different. So let me show you what happens to these. Okay, so andar goes to anduv, and my yo form is anduve. Estar goes to estuv, and my tu form would be estuviste. Tener goes to tuv. Notice the similarity, the pattern here, uv, and uv. So anduve, estuviste, tuvo. So there's my yo to ea, usted. Poder goes to pud. So my o goes to a u. That's my nosotros. Hubo, again, is only going to be in the third person, like there was. Pusistes, it comes from poner. So my poner, my pon, goes to pus. Saber goes to soup. So supieron. Querer goes to quis. So back to my yo form, so quise. Two would be quisiste, quiso, quisimos, quisistes, quisieron. But I would have that quis in all 6 forms. Venir goes to bin. So they would be like vine, viniste, vino, vinimos, vinistes, vinieron. And then hacer in the yo form goes to is. So HAC goes to HIC. But in the LAA form, it does not go to HICO, which would be ICO. It goes to ISO. So I have a Z. And decir, I have my D. DEC goes to DIJ. So all 6 forms. And I have my endings. So dije, dijiste, dijo. Dijimos, dijistes, but dijeron. So it's not ieron, but it's eron. Okay? So these Whew, it's a lot of irregulars, but now at least you have all your information. Okay? So, irregular stem, sole, slipper only in third person, boot verbs do not exist in the preterite, orthographic, we have spelling changes, irregulars, and then our regulars, when to use, and keywords. Most of this was a review for you, but I went kind of fast, so hopefully not too fast.